Hey there, tech-savvy folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth tech reviews. Today, we have a fantastic solution for those who still need to access CDs and DVDs in the modern digital world: the Rioddas External CD-DVD Drive. This compact, plug-and-play device has some neat features that you won't want to miss. So, let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about simplicity. The Rioddas External DVD Drive is as easy as it gets: plug and play. It's powered by a USB port, so no need for external drivers or additional power sources. Just plug it in, and your computer will detect it effortlessly. Now, speed matters, right? Well, Rioddas has you covered. This external CD drive is compatible with USB 3.0, and it's even backwards compatible with USB 2.0 and 1.0. That means you get faster data transmission speeds, up to a whopping 5 gigabits per second, along with stable performance and strong fault tolerance. Let's talk aesthetics. The Rioddas drive sports a brushed texture shell, giving it a trendy and modern look. Plus, it's got an embedded cable design, so you'll never have to worry about losing your cable or dealing with a tangled mess. Now, here's something clever. This ultra-slim CD-DVD player for laptops comes with an eject button, so you won't ever have to fret about your disc getting stuck inside. Thanks to the copper mesh technology, you can count on stable data transmission. But wait, there's more. This DVD player is not just functional, it's also incredibly portable. It's lightweight and compact, making it perfect for your daily life. Take it to the office, school, on a trip, or anywhere you desire. Speaking of functionality, the Rioddas External Drive is an upgraded CD burner for Mac and Windows users alike. It offers faster speed, low impedance, and improved anti-interference capabilities, ensuring a more comfortable user experience. If you're wondering about compatibility, this USB CD-DVD external drive supports a wide range of discs, including CD plus or minus R, RW, CD-ROM, DVD plus or minus R, RW, DVD RAM, VCD, SVCD, and even M discs. It's got you covered for all your optical media needs. Now, let's address some common issues you might encounter. If you face region code problems, remember that you can only reset the region code 5 times. So, choose wisely. And for those who have trouble with software, make sure you have the right media player installed. Also, don't forget that this drive needs sufficient power supply. Connect it directly to your computer's USB port and ensure your device is charged. Using non-powered hubs might lead to issues. And hey, for Mac users, don't panic if you don't see the device icon before inserting a disk. In a world that's gone digital, the Rioddas External CD-DVD Drive is your bridge to the past. It's convenient, stylish, and packed with features to make your life easier. If you have any questions or thoughts, please drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews on Product Critique. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, may your data always be accessible.